broke. Okay, this is not one of those videos. We're broke. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, hi, hello. If you're not new, what's giddy, what's poppin'? I'm Ashlynn Racquel to be exact, and today we're going to be doing a non-sponsored Savage X Fenty kind of haul thing. Really don't know what's going on with my lighting. I'll fix it another time because I really want to just film this for y'all. We're working on a new studio setup. Okay, so I see a lot of sponsored Savage X Fenty videos, but I have not, or maybe I haven't felt the need to look up non-sponsored videos just because there's so many sponsored ones. So me being the college student that I am, decided that I was going to purchase Savage X Fenty on my own. This is spent and bought with my own money. I didn't buy much because majority was sold out, but I got a couple of things. So for starters, you don't have to have a membership, but I got all of this on a membership. But being the college student that I am, I had to cancel that membership because we're broke. Okay, this is not one of those videos. We're broke. So all of these were on sale when I got them. And so how I'm going to do it is I have a set on. However, I'm not one of those people that want to try on bras and panties. I know it's the same thing as swimsuits, but that's just not me. So I'm going to show you what I got, and then I'll show you I'm gonna try and be respectful about it. I'm gonna try and show you a little glimpse, but yeah. So first things first, what I have on is a t-shirt bra. I'm gonna lift this right here. It's a brown color. It looks just like this. Really cute. The comfort of this bra is amazing. For reference, I'm a 34 double D, not sure. You know, they have, I want to say it goes up to like F, not 100% sure, but they did have a 34 double D. I'm a huge fan of the Victoria's Secret t-shirt bras from Pink. If you're used to those, this is like the same feel but better. It looks amazing. And then a lot of the panties were sold out because the sale was huge. I was able to get two. So I got a floral lace set and the holiday Savage X Fenty thong. The lace set that I got matches my bra. I'll show you. So this is what this looks like. And we love this. Okay, really nice detailing. Of course, not gonna show y'all everything, but I loved it. Really comfortable fit. I got a size medium in these. So now for the rest of the haul, I'm just kind of gonna show you what I was able to scoop up. Again, everything was sold out, but I just wanted to give an actual review for somebody that spent their money versus somebody that, you know, is a brand ambassador. Now, if I ever got the opportunity to work with Savage X Fenty, I would love it. But I just wanted to give y'all a review. So they all come in their own little plastic bags with the name of the bra and the SKU and the size. So I got, this is the t-shirt bra in the black lace. This is what it looks like. And then the back is like so. All of them come with kind of like a hang tag that says if you want to return it or exchange it, this must be attached. Highly recommend trying your stuff on before ripping the tags off. I'm one of the people that like to rip tags off before trying anything on, and that's my problem. But yes, definitely try them on and see if you like it. But this is the black one. I really love this one. It looks like this again, one more time. And the cups just feel really secure. They're really soft too, because me having like a bigger chest, I hate wearing bras that irritate. me all day. But the one that I have on is very comfortable. So I could see myself wearing this all day with like no problems. The next one I got, so I got the basics, a black, a nude, and a white, just for the moment. So this is how it might not show up on camera, but this is the white one. Of course, it looks a little bit more white on camera. And just a plain t-shirt bra. It has nice gold detailing. Let's see if I can show you. So the detailing is like this, and it's really, really soft and comfortable. I'm actually very excited to wear these. And then I got a thong. So I only got 5 items. So 2 pairs of panties and 3 bras. Literally my size was sold out on everything that I wanted. So yeah. All right, and then this is the thong. Ooh, it comes in a... All right, so this was their holiday one. It just says nice on it. I'm assuming there's probably another one that says naughty, but it looks like this. It's matching my like shirt that I have on, so you might not be able to see it. Let's see if I could turn something down for y'all to see. There we go. So it looks like this, and it just says nice on it. A nice little thong. Really cute. It really matches what I have on. That's why you can't see it. Honestly, the brand ambassadors weren't capping. The quality is by far amazing. If I ever have the chance to order again, I will order more and do a bigger haul for you guys when there's more in stock. However, you don't have to have a membership to purchase. For reference, if you are to go on the site, the membership you're allowed to buy, or some kind of like those shoe dazzle memberships. You get to like pick which month you want to purchase something, or you can hit skip, and then after that you're able to have a whole bunch of deals. You get to see the releases first, stuff like that. However, if you're like a college student like me and you're on a budget and you can't really do membership, the prices are truly similar to Victoria's Secret. So if you're used to the $40 bras and stuff like that, that would be what you're looking at when you're purchasing without the membership. I personally would choose Savage X Fenty over Victoria's Secret Pink, and I wear their bras like it's nothing. I do the t-shirt bras because they're just so comfortable to me. But I can say that Savage X Fenty is 100% amazing, and you definitely should check them out. Of course, I don't have any affiliate links or anything like that, but we'll put down below who has affiliate links with Savage X Fenty, because I do follow some people like Jackie Aina, Alyssa Ashley, Nazanin Kavari. All of them are affiliates with Savage X Fenty, but 10 out of 10 recommend trying them out. The quality is as what it says, okay? It's amazing quality. So yeah, that is it for this video. I just wanted to give y'all a review that wasn't sponsored. I know sometimes sponsored videos just seem so like pushy, or they just don't seem genuine. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one.